How to log out of Messenger on Android and iOS. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log out of your Messenger app on both Android and iOS device. So without further ado, let's get started. So since Messenger doesn't have a built-in sign out option, so the quickest and easiest way to log out is by deleting the app from your device and then reinstalling it. And when you delete the Messenger app, you will be automatically logged out. But don't worry, your messages and account won't be deleted. And once you reinstall the Messenger, you'll need to sign back in to access your chats. So there is another method as well. So another way is to log out through Facebook privacy settings, and here is how you can do it. So simply open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you are inside the Facebook app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after that, tap on the settings icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in the settings section, simply tap on the account center at the top. Now choose password and security. And from there, you can simply scroll down and tap on the option level where you are logged in. Now select your Facebook account, and once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on the option label select devices to log out. And here simply tap on the option label select all shown in the top right side, and after tapping on that, you can simply tap on logout button. And this will log you out of Messenger on all devices except the one you are currently using Facebook on. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.